Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Influencer.life, and today we'll be talking about how your content is king. Agar content is king, then the king deserves to be treated well. In today's world, when everyone is getting bombarded by content of different genres, it's really critical कि आपका बनाया हुआ content really stands out and is appreciated by your viewers and your followers. So, इस वीडियो में we will see what is good content and what are the various content styles that you can choose from. In this episode, we will cover understanding your passions and using them for content creation. Identify key content creators from chosen fields. A look at top ingredients, entertainment and infotainment. और entertainment को expand करते हुए we will see acting, food, dance, etc. And lastly, infotainment को expand करते हुए we will see news, views, interviews, etc. चलो, let's get started. First of all, let's understand what are your passions. From a very early age, let's say when I was 10 years old or so, I remember I was always interested in fashion, makeup, styling, etc. मैं अपनी mom के makeup, उनके cosmetics, lipsticks try करती थी. And through my teen and growing up years, my interest kept evolving. And as I got exposed to new styles of fashion and styling, तो आप ये कह सकते हैं कि makeup, styling and fashion is my passion, my calling. And later, I even went on to do a few courses in this industry which helped me make my skills better. A person like me will be best suited to talk about this. So अगर अब मुझे कोई बोले कि talk about finance, economics, politics या even sports, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं इन topics पे सही content बना पाऊंगी. So, first things first, अब अपने passion को priority दीजिए and try to explore some fun and interesting aspects about your passion that no one else seems to offer. Something unique. अच्छा, another very interesting thing. और फिर मैं अपना ही एग्जाम्पल लेके आपको बताऊंगी. And as a fashion influencer, I can choose these subtopics जो थोड़े हटके हैं. International fashion, like the fashion scene in Paris, New York, Milan, etc. Indian fashion, like fashion weeks happening all over India. Yeah, we can even do something offbeat, like creating content on college campus fashion or the new definition of workwear for both men and women. Or even kids fashion for that matter. The range is endless. और इससे भी ज़्यादा हटके, I could explore a niche in fashion for pregnant women or even elders for that matter. यहाँ पे what really matters is that I stick to my core, which is fashion, but I keep innovating on my topics to get that wow factor from my audience. Experimenting is very important to create fresh and new content. अपने पैशन और इंटरेस्ट को समझना, उसे यूटिलाइज करना बेहद जरूरी है. Once you've identified a broad genre and you're clear about your shortlisted field, which is definitely your passion, फिर आप जाइए सोशल मीडिया पे and सर्व करिए for influencers जो आपके टॉपिक पे कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. For example, a broad search on Google for an influencer which is covering your topic of choice will throw series of social media profiles in front of you. So, फिर आप उनसे inspiration ले सकते हैं. It will also help you if you add a specific social media page to your search. जैसे if I want to search for fashion influencers, then I can search for fashion influencers plus India plus Instagram. और ऐसे ही आप किसी भी जॉनर या सोशल मीडिया पेज के बारे में गूगल पे सर्च कर सकते हैं. और ऐसे ही सर्च आप किसी भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे भी कर सकते हैं. फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, इन सभी में एक सर्च बार होता है where you can just type your requirements and get the result in a flash. In our experience, there is a third way, which by far is my favorite. Just ask your friends, neighbors, colleagues, or even interact with people on chat platforms like Telegram to know about specific people who are already creating content in your genre, who have already gained a level of popularity, thanks to the unique choices and content that they've created over a period of time. The first influencer on my list is Bhuvan Bam. Bhuvan Bam became the first Indian YouTuber to cross 10 million subscribers. For those of you who don't know him, he's a comedian and an entertainer. The second influencer on my list is Shireen Sikka. Shireen Sikka creates content for the right fashion elements, especially her content on wedding styling, which is a smash hit. Third, Nikunj Lotia, aka The Unique. He creates short comedy videos with his own followers on YouTube. And the list goes on and on and on. You know, content is not king unless people can find it. And it's definitely not king if it's not presented well or if it can't hold the viewer's attention. At the end of the day, if your viewers are liking, subscribing and sharing your content, only then your content is king. एक छोटी सी एडवाइस दूं क्या? Please don't neglect humor, innovation and creativity. थोड़ा funny और interesting content लोगों को हमेशा पसंद आता है. With this, let's move to the next topic. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share to influencer.life on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Now, coming to the top ingredients of content. There are basically two ingredients of content that we can tell you at a high level. Entertainment and infotainment. While entertainment can include all things that help you unwind and relax, like movies, stories, dance, music, etc. Infotainment, on the other hand, is more about spreading information and generating awareness. And that could be about a variety of things that could interest you or me. Both of the ingredients are important and are very well received by people. Always remember that at a subconscious level, the moment people watch you, they try to slot you into entertainment or infotainment. So now you must be thinking, which one is more important or bigger? Well, as it turns out, a musician or a scriptwriter is as important as a researcher or a scientist while making content. आप खुद सोच के देखो, क्या हम हर वक्त एक ही टाइप का कंटेंट देखते हैं? मेरे हिसाब से in today's world, both entertainment and infotainment are equally important. Both these ingredients, my friends, are the key to popularity and fame on social media platforms. पते की बात ये है that a great content creator will start by researching and exploring how people interact with influencers like celebrities, TV stars, sports stars, and how they behave differently on different social media platforms. जैसे for example, मैं Instagram पे news देखना पसंद नहीं करती. Once this is done, the content creator must also understand gender difference, generation difference, and even the social media preferences. These are known to impact the interest of your viewers. And now let's look at both of these in great depth.
Hi guys, it's Vrinda again. In this episode, we are continuing to discuss how content is king. So here we go. Now that we know the two ingredients of content, infotainment and entertainment, let's look at both of them in depth. First, let's talk about entertainment. Entertainment is the most important factor affecting the behavior of social media users. And it's a great motivator for people to continue viewing your content again and again. Fact is that entertaining content gets more likes and comments, sometimes even more than infotainment content. For example, liking and posting a comment for a post, एक तरह से that strengthens the bond between the person who's made the comment and the person who's posted the content. And the same effect rubs off if the content is sponsored by a brand. The content for entertainment must be so strong for all good things to happen on social media. और यहाँ पे let me tell you something, बार-बार एक ही तरीके का content मत बनाइए. And please understand the difference between blatantly copying somebody and getting inspired by someone. Nearly 30 to 35% of people who use social media to watch or follow sports events in today's world are really growing in number and further attracting a lot of people, thereby making it critical for the content to resonate with different kinds of demographics. Demographic primarily means your age, your gender, आप किस शहर से belong करते हैं, so on and so forth. Therefore, sports content appeals to a much larger audience You get my point? इसीलिए influencers who make content on films and music, उनका content थोड़ा ज़्यादा देखा जाता है. तो इसीलिए influencers who make content around entertainment get noticed by brands much faster as compared to some of the other influencers. But please keep in mind, entertainment is a far broader genre and infotainment is slightly smaller, but both are equally important. तो case in point, टीवी न्यूज चैनल्स पे भी उतनी ही एडवर्टाइजिंग होती है जितनी एंटरटेनमेंट चैनल्स पे. But just to share some numbers with you, and as you know, numbers don't lie, more than 50% of our internet audience tends to seek professional opinion before they buy a product or a service. तो opinion of course is built by influencers. जैसे आम तौर पे हम सब मूवी देखने से पहले उसका मूवी रिव्यू देखते हैं. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल फिटनेस की बात करें, if we want to buy a good whey protein or a protein shake, then we tend to see anywhere between 3 to 5 influencer content before we make up our mind. और उस पे अगर content entertaining हो तो क्या बात है. Entertaining content need not come from films, movies and music, but it could also come from some of these popular genres. You can show fun times and holidays for travel and lifestyle. Make several jokes as a part of your comedy routine. We can do throwback or nostalgic themes while reviewing old movies. और fashion, lifestyle, sports, fitness को भी हम entertaining बना सकते हैं. You know, like bloopers डाल के. And if you're making content for kids, then तो you have puzzles, plays, toys, etc. Okay, now let's move to the other special ingredient, which is infotainment. यहाँ पे a special shout out to Twitter, where millions of people around the world keep tuning in for news and updates, where they keep tweeting and retweeting this content, जिसका finally hype बन जाता है. And like you know, hype can be encashed. Also, educational content is great as long as it solves a certain problem or satisfies a certain need of the audience. Just a small point here, guys. When I say education, I don't just mean padhai likhai, I also mean learning hobbies and passions. The important part about making infotainment content, it should be planned in such a way that it comes out as a personal advice or guidance to your audience. और जब आप न्यूज कंटेंट बना रहे हैं, प्लीज पुट योर पर्सनल ओपिनियन अपने कंटेंट में. इंफोटेनमेंट कंटेंट बनाने के लिए आपका बैकअप रिसर्च बेहद जरूरी है. So if you're looking to make infotainment content, then please read as much as you can, or surf the internet, or even look at what other journalists are saying about your news story. और उसमें personal opinion डालना मत भूलेगा. Content when created with the purpose of conversion and objective in mind, it usually pushes the audience to take some action, thereby resulting in higher likes and higher viewership. Wanna know a secret about how to keep your audience engaged? Of course, infotainment में to mix and match content from India and around the world to keep the jig alive. और एक बार आपकी कंटेंट देखने की आदत पड़ गई, then viewers keep coming back for more and more. और guys, infotainment में शायद हमें यही चाहिए. And some other examples of how to make your infotainment content appealing are: explore थोड़ा हटके topics such as education, technology, medicine, and start a cycle which begins from knowledge, liking, and then building trust amongst your fans, which can keep you going a long, long way. So please be careful about the quality of your content and its production value. Production value के बारे में और जानने के लिए please watch our future video called The Editing Masterclass. But then again, guys, industry research, free resources, answers to frequently asked questions, live video training, tips and tricks, and all of these can help you create awesome infotainment content. Okay guys, that brings us towards the end of this episode. I hope you're feeling a bit more relaxed and a bit more informed about content making styles with a deeper level of understanding than before. We can thank our research and analysis team at influencer.life that puts you ahead in the learning curve and straight ahead to the path of internet glory. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching influencer.life.